Mountain Riders. December 6th, and it is a nice day to get out in the mountains here in North Carolina. Kind of in between snowstorms, actually. It snowed a couple days ago, and that's all melted. And now it's about to snow again, I think tonight. But it's just small events. They don't last long. Won't be long before we're out and about again. Hoping to get the next episode launched later in the week. Right now it looks like the weather may cooperate. The snow we're about to get should melt and things should warm up nice enough to where I can get up high without having to worry about ice. So hopefully around Thursday or so we'll see how that works out. For those of you who saw the previous short video I did where I got these new tires, so far so good. I've given them a little bit of spirited test now to see how they do, and not bad at all. So hang in there, and winter riding is pretty weather dependent, and I'll get out the next episode just as soon as I can.